Are you mixing your personal and business expenses? This common mistake could be costing you more than you think. Hi, I'm your YouTube host, Maxie, on behalf of Empirez Financial. Today, I'm sharing a QuickBooks tip that will save you time, money, and stress. Mixed expenses make it challenging to identify which costs are business-related and which are personal. This can result in missed deductions. You might overlook deductible expenses because they're buried in personal spending. Errors on tax returns. Misclassification can lead to inaccurate reporting, which could trigger penalties. More time and money spent on tax prep. Sorting through transactions at tax time increases stress and may require additional accounting fees. Example: imagine buying office supplies and groceries in the same transaction. Without separating these expenses, your accountant might miss claiming the supplies as a deduction. Obscures business performance. When personal and business expenses mix, it's nearly impossible to measure how well your business is doing. This can lead to inaccurate financial reports. Mixed transactions make it harder to track revenue, profit margins, and cash flow. Poor decision making. If you can't see your true business performance, you may overspend, underprice services, or fail to plan for growth. Example: if your profit margin looks low but personal expenses are included, you might assume your business is struggling when it's actually performing well. Could lead to IRS red flags. The IRS expects clear separation of personal and business finances. Mixing expenses can trigger audits. Inconsistent reporting raises suspicion, especially if deductions seem inflated. Risk disallowed deductions. If you can't prove an expense is business-related, the IRS may reject it, result in penalties. Failing an audit could mean paying back taxes, interest, or fines. Example: if you claim a family vacation as a business trip without proper documentation, the IRS might audit your entire return. To categorize a transaction, click on it, select Categorize, and choose the appropriate category. Separating expenses ensures accurate financial tracking. Here's how to add a new category. This is helpful if your business requires custom expense tracking, like separating personal expenses from business marketing costs. By linking a business-only bank account, all your expenses will flow directly into QuickBooks for easy tracking and separation from personal finances. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday Tips with Empirez Financial. Remember, staying organized and separating business from personal expenses is the key to a stress-free tax season and smarter financial decisions. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. For more bookkeeping tips and financial clarity, visit us at Empirez Financial, because managing accounts means creating empires.